this is the most important corridor for jaguars moving from Mexico into the United States. It's also an extremely important corridor for many other species. Black bear moves through here, between the mountain ranges, mule deer do.
The project that we're standing at here, we're just outside of the Borderlands Wildlife Preserve. We're about 12 miles as the raven flies from the Sonoran border to the south. And the main focus of this particular project is to connect the large swaths of protected public lands, the Coronado Forest, two districts of the Coronado Forest, with each other, so that wildlife and plants have a corridor to move across. And really that's the Huachucas and the Patagonias to the south, and the Santa Ritas, which you can just see right in peeking over the side there. The work that we've been doing here is erosion control structure work. It's very simple, essentially reorganization of the landscape in a slight way that's almost intuitive and has been practiced for many millennia. So this particular structure was built to stop that erosive action and try to rebuild up that soil, capture that sediment, slow that water down, increase infiltration, and allow for natural revegetation.
In opening my eyes to the environment and just learning what exactly is around me and how I can give back to it, especially when it comes to restoring the environment that's already there and helping out the wildlife that's already here. It's already really beautiful, and to give to it, it's really special.